Hello, thanks for joining me. Well, my clutch quit working on my south bend. It's been kind of acting up for a while, and I had to tighten it real tight to get it to grab, but I can't get it to engage at all now. So I've got to tear into it. That's what we're going to do today. I don't remember exactly how it comes apart. I've had it all apart before. I'm not sure I had the clutch apart though. If I remember right, I can take this bearing off the end and slide the carriage or apron right off the end. And I remembered right. Well, the truth comes out. I didn't clean it up spotless inside. It's all in excellent shape. It's all surface rust. And I didn't want to take it all apart. Well, it's pretty simple. However, apparently this is worn enough to where it doesn't go deep enough to grab. Either that, or maybe the wrong kind of oil's in there. And it's well, believe it or not, I think I found the problem. This nut was loose. And that nut allows, I think, slop in there to where this disc won't pull in. We'll see. You gotta line it up with those pins right there while you're tightening. See the pins? I believe that did it. Well, I was kind of wanting to look in here and see how things cleaned up. Oil has a way of cleaning things up anyway. I wanted to make sure everything was getting oil. Some South bends have a whole bunch of felts, and this one does not. At least as far as I can tell, there's no place to put felts. Time to put it back together, I think. A lot of work for a simple fix, but I'd rather have a simple fix than something torn up bad. Well, let's give it a whirl. I'd be kind of shocked if it didn't work, because I'm pretty sure I found the problem. I like it. Well, that about wraps up fixing the clutch on my South Bend 11. Thanks for joining me. Be sure and subscribe and ring that bell so you get notifications of new videos. I'm tickled. That was an easy fix.